Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how you can enable two finger scroll up and scroll down on your old Windows laptop like I have it over there. You can see? Yes, that's the one. So I'll show you how you can enable two fingers scroll up and scroll down, and also how you can enable all those multi-touch gesture on your Windows laptop. So what's you are waiting for? Let's get started. So what you need to do is just search for Dell drivers, and if you have any other manufacturer laptop, then search for HP laptop, Lenovo, it's Lenovo drivers, HP driver. So once you see the website called drivers and download, click on it, and what you need to do is just enter your service tag, you can find it at the bottom. Here I'll put my service tag number that you can find at the back of your laptop. Then after that I will search it. So I might have misspelled it. So as you can see, it then shows my model name, that is Inspiron 3552. That is correct. So it's kind of loading right now. So let's just wait. So as you can see, it has shown me a lot of drivers. So then go to drivers, find drivers. So now here in keyword section, just type touch pad. As you can see, this one, just click it and download it. Download is selected, just press download selected, and after downloading you will you'll need to install it, and that also I'll show you. So press open file. Now press yes, and now press install. So now press next, then agree all this. No, now agree this agreement. Press on I accept this agreement, then press next. Then it will install it. You just need, at this moment you just need to wait. So, and once it finishes installing, I guess you might have to restart your computer. Let's first see. So as you can see, the installation has been completed. Now press finish. So it's asking you to reboot the system. So what you need to do is just reboot it. Okay, so after restarting you will see this Dell touchpad icon. Just click on it multiple times with your mouse or trackpad, and if it doesn't opens, click on touchpad properties. It just needs some time to open. I just told you my laptop is very old, so that's why. So as you can see right now, it's showing you like if it's in your case it's turned off, then just turn it on, then press save. And as you can here back, if you just so in sensitivity just let it be default, and if you like, and also in for touch pressure let it also be default, and you will just make sure that the palm rejection is like turned on. If it is turned off in any case, so just turn it on. Then here the tapping, go there and just make sure you check all this tap to click and drag lock, and also activate touchpad by zigzag gesture. So and here in come down to bottom, so double click to so when you double click to speed, so that means so when you drag it, no, not this one, okay, so the the response, it increases just the response time. And if you just select, check this 2-finger click to shortcut menu, what it means is that when you press it with 2 fingers on your mouse like this, so as you just saw, when you press it with just 2 fingers, let me just focus my camera right down here, just 2 fingers, as you just saw there, it just opens option menu like the secondary touch of your mouse. So and also like in gesture you can also like enable the panning, that is a scrolling, and also if you like that if you want to reverse the scrolling direction, then also you can do that. And you can also increase or decrease the scrolling speed. You can also zoom in and zoom out with 2 fingers like this, and also you can rotate it like this, the images you can rotate it. And like if you want to change the the settings of your mouse, then also you can do it from here. So now if I just show you the actual working of it, so if I just go to this website and just use this 2 finger as you just saw, okay, let me just show you. I just saw, okay, as you just saw, so my 2 fingers just works. So yes, this is how how you can enable the 2-finger gesture for your old Windows laptop. Like in my case I have a Dell laptop. You can have any different laptop also, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that you need to download appropriate drivers of your laptop that interacts with your touchpad. So yes, this is all about the step now. Okay, so as you saw right now how you can enable 2-finger swipe up and swipe down and all those gesture on your old laptop. So like this is a step like for especially for Dell. And like if you have any other laptop, then what you gonna need to do is just search for first type your manufacturer name, let it be like HP, Lenovo, or all those. After that type touch drivers, or you can directly type like Lenovo Trackpad drivers. And like if you just know the service tag number of your laptop, then it makes the process a lot more easier, so that you can directly type like in my case then Dell, then my service tag number, then like my touchpad driver. So when I search it, it will instantly land on the main page, like where I can download the actual driver, and not by going all those websites. So like yes, this is all about how you can enable your the gesture on your old laptop. So like if you find this video helpful, do give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want more tech tips like this, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.